If you're looking to monitor help desk metrics to guide hiring decisions, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, we'll walk through exactly how you can leverage the right metrics to help you decide when to hire, who to hire, and how to build a stronger team. First, let's start with the core metrics you need to keep an eye on. Response time is critical. If your team is consistently slow to respond to customers, it's a clear sign that you may need to hire more support agents. Monitoring average response time will show you if you're reaching an overload point. It'll tell you whether your current staff is stretched too thin and whether you need more hands on deck. Next, let's talk about first contact resolution. This metric is gold because it measures the effectiveness of your support agents. If you're noticing low scores here, it might indicate a need for more experienced hires who can solve issues in a single interaction. A high first contact resolution rate means your agents are on top of their game and can handle most queries without needing escalation. Another key metric to monitor is ticket volume. This shows you the overall workload on your help desk. If ticket volume is increasing but your response time is steady or worsening, it's a sign that you need to adjust your hiring strategy. More tickets mean more work, and if your team isn't growing to meet that demand, it can result in longer wait times and customer dissatisfaction. Customer satisfaction scores should also be a major factor in your hiring decisions. If you notice a dip in these scores, it could point to an issue with your team's performance, training, or resources. Poor satisfaction scores are a direct indicator that more skilled or specialized staff might be needed. This helps you pinpoint whether your team needs more support in specific areas or if a more experienced agent should be brought in. You should also be measuring agent utilization rates. High utilization rates mean agents are working at full capacity, which can be a good sign, but if they're working at over 100%, burnout is around the corner. This could be another indicator that hiring needs to happen sooner rather than later. To track all these metrics efficiently, you'll need a reliable software tool. I've tried out the most popular options, but the software we'll be using today is a game changer. It tracks all these metrics in real time, and it's super easy to set up. Plus, for viewers of my channel, you can get an exclusive free trial, which is linked in the description below if you want to follow along. Now let's dive into the software. This tool will show you response times, first contact resolutions, and customer satisfaction scores all in one dashboard. It simplifies the process of analyzing trends and spotting areas that need attention. If you're monitoring multiple agents, you can easily compare performance, identifying potential hires who can add value or areas where you may need to scale. Before we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. When monitoring help desk metrics to guide your hiring decisions, focus on response time, first contact resolution, ticket volume, customer satisfaction, and agent utilization. These are the critical areas to understand whether your team is performing well or if hiring more staff is necessary. And don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive free trial in the description below. This software will help you manage and monitor your help desk metrics with ease and guide your next hiring decision effectively. Thanks for watching, and make sure to apply these tips for better decision making when it comes to scaling your help desk team.